In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert currency on Wise app. If you use Wise to hold money in multiple currencies, converting between them is quick and transparent. I'll guide you through the flow so you know exactly what you're seeing on each screen and how to confirm with confidence. Begin by opening the Wise app and selecting the currency you want to convert from. This is your source balance, the place the funds will come out of. Make sure you've highlighted the correct balance, especially if you hold several. It helps to glance at the available amount so you know the balance can cover what you plan to convert. Nothing moves yet. You're just choosing the starting currency. Next, tap Convert. You'll land on the conversion setup screen. Here, choose the target currency you want to receive, then enter the amount you want to convert. You can type an exact figure, including decimals, and the app will show you the corresponding amount you'll get in the new currency. As you enter the amount, you may notice a live exchange rate appear. This reflects the current market rate Wise is offering. When you're ready, tap Review. On the review screen, slow down for a moment and read each detail. You'll see the currency you're converting from, the one you're converting into, the exchange rate, the fee, and the exact amounts on both sides. This is the summary that locks in the numbers you care about. Because exchange rates move, this page is where the final rate and fees are confirmed. If anything looks off, the wrong source currency, an amount that's too high or too low, this is the time to adjust before you proceed. If you wait on this screen for a while, the app may refresh the rate to keep it current, which is normal. When everything looks right, tap Convert. The conversion usually completes instantly. You'll see a success message, and your balances will update right away. The source balance decreases, and the target balance increases by the converted amount after fees. If you ever change your mind before this point, simply back out. Nothing is converted until you confirm. That's it. Converting currency in Wise is designed to be clear and straightforward. Remember, rates can fluctuate throughout the day, so checking the review breakdown helps you avoid surprises and plan your spending. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helps you convert with confidence whenever you need to.